In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access display. Now scroll down again to reach easy mode. Following that, to activate it, use gray switcher next to it and wait. As you can see, simple mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, you need to access the same settings and tap on no blue switcher next to easy mode feature. Then wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!